world-class, state-of-the-art indoor live fire range. This is what's called a full true tactical range, meaning that it is completely bulletproof all the way around. But that's just the beginning. The main trap and the two side walls are operationally secure, giving you the ability to conduct live fire training at 270 degrees of shooting. These walls are no ricochet, no backsplatter traps. This means that I can shoot into the walls, into the ceiling, and into the main trap with any handgun of any caliber, and nothing will come back to me. As an example, this is a 9mm Glock pistol. It's so safe in here that I can actually stand with the muzzle of my firearm less than an inch off the wall and pull the trigger, and nothing will come back to hurt me or the firearm at all. But that's not the only thing about the range. We have the ability to adjust lights. With lights, I now can actually engage as close to reality as I can. Lots of things happen in low light. So at Sealed Mindset, we can work in full darkness, such as there's my targets right there. Or we can work on different types of lighting setups, such as a front lit. We have a front lit target. Or we can actually work targets that are backlit, which means now you actually have to use your light to identify the target if it's a threat before you engage. The back portion of the range is very similar to a lot of ranges that you might go shoot at. Bulletproof glass to either side, tables that you can fold up or fold down to be able to set your equipment down or get it out of the way if you're conducting a draw or a movement with a rifle. The air system is using what's called a plenum system. What I mean by a plenum system is it's two metal walls with holes in it. And as the air is forced through, it creates a single moving mass of air. So the amount of air coming out from the top is the same as the amount of air coming out from the bottom. That means you have no curlicues, no eddies, no pockets or clouds of gases or lead inside of the facility. Also, because the range itself is no ricochet, no backsplatter, that also means there's no lead contamination from rounds bursting, whether into the granular trap or into the sidewalls. So what's the biggest thing I can stress about the range? The biggest thing is that this range facility is set up to allow you to practice as close to reality as you can get. You're not stuck with a linear range system where I can only shoot one wall. I can actually do multiple targets and transitions, even those targets and transitions that are completely outside of my line of vision, such as ones that are directly behind me. And because the walls are no ricochet, no backsplatter, I can do real world skills that you need to be able to do to protect yourself, such as very close retention fighting, in which case, in a lot of ranges, we can't do it because of the risk of backsplatter or ricochets coming to us. Being that it's indoors, I can practice low light 24 hours a day. It doesn't matter if it's sunny out, I don't need to go to the range at night. I come in, I turn the lights where I need them to be, and I train.